In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to log into your Amazon Prime with another account. If you have multiple accounts of Amazon Prime and if you want to log in to a different account, then you'll need to just log out from the first one and then log into second. Just open up primevideo.com and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, similar to Amazon.com, there is no option of switching accounts. So in this case, all you can do is just log out of the current account that you're using. To do that, click on the arrow on the top right beside your name and click on sign out. Once you have been signed out, you just click on sign in and then enter in the details of your second account, add in your email address or your mobile number and your password. After that, just click on sign in and you'll be logged in to your second account. That's the only way that you can do, and there is no separate option of switching accounts. So that's all for this video. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, keep watching.